Hi guys, today I'm happy to meet you in another video. I came to this beautiful park nearby my home and I'd like to do some sketches. In this video I will talk about two topics. One is how I set up my camera and other stuffs and what I bring. And then I will talk about the techniques I will do to do some sketches. Okay, let's go. And also this will be a different video and interesting to you because I am unboxing few items which I bought to improve my mobile photography. I'll show you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm taking some efforts to bring new interesting content to you in my channel. Thank you. These are the things I bought today to show you. I usually bring my sketchbook, palettes, watercolor, music, tripod, some brushes and some pens. Yeah, and to hold some water, some extra to just clean up. Actually, I use an old tripod which I bought from Amazon, which is pretty cheap. I'll show this tripod later. But now I bought a new tripod, which is also a extendable wheel of tripod. Let's see. This is from Ulanzi and a portable one with a ball head and adjustable settings here, and not too heavy, but we can extend up to, let me show you. Quite extendable, and yeah, it's quite sturdy. So I can clip my phone here, vertical or horizontal. Yeah. And it's quite portable. This tripod also comes with a remote, which I am yet to use it. I'm trying to find the shade here because it's almost noon. So this is the variable VND filter from Canon concept. I came with a free microfiber cloth. I really like the packaging, very good. This is plastic, gives a good protection to the glass inside. Looks nice, feels a bit weighted. Yeah, and this is actually mentioned as Nano K series variable VND 2400, and we have here a filter adapter. This filter adapter helps in using the same filter which I bought for the iPhone, which is actually 67mm. My Canon M50 camera is 49mm. It's the same lens in both the Canon M50 camera and also my iPhone. This is magnetic mobile adapter system, which can be attached to our iPhone, and then an additional filter can be fitted onto it. Some tiny screwdriver. See? This is a CPL filter from the same brand and concept. I bought the CPL just to try it out, if it can reduce the reflections in the windows and water. This came with one microfiber cloth. Let me try to fix this here.